If you're into charts, it's hard not to look at this chart and think whatever this is pretty close to being on a really big sale. Hi everybody, Neil here again. It is June 23rd, 2020, and it is time for your cherry bomb trade for the day. You know what? I'm one of those guys, I love learning. I don't know about you, I love learning. And I'm going to tell you right now, futures, definitely a weak spot for me. Today's cherry bomb trade does involve futures, so I want to give you the heads up. Not that I want you to click off of this video and go find something else to watch, but if your account is not approved for futures trading, then this is going to be something you can't execute. However, it's not that hard to go get your simulated trading account approved for futures and options on futures. Just go on up during the active hours to the support chat and start a chat with the tech support. Tell them that you want your futures trading. Probably by the end of the day, you'll have that enabled and you'll be able to learn along with us and just give these whole futures a whirl. Because, man, I found that email that we got today to be very interesting. And when I say the email, I mean, of course, for those of you that are new here, first off, thanks for stopping by. And down in the description for this video below, you'll find a link that'll take you over to Tasty Trade's webpage where you can sign up for the different emails lists that they have. I recommend going for the cherry bomb one if you'd like to, join us daily and put on these trades and just give yourself an opportunity to learn how to trade options in ThinkOrSwim. Then this is the path you probably want to take. All right, so corn futures, the email, and there's a difference between, of course, they're showing you to trade inside their platform, and I would trade in their platform, paper trade in their platform. I do trade for real in their platform, but they don't have paper trading. So because I need to learn still, I need to practice. You never arrive, right? You always should be growing. This is why I'm doing this here in ThinkOrSwim. So you're going to see some differences. If we go over to this Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade, and I type in /ZC for corn, you'll see that the email talks about the July and even shows the July expiration being at 32 days to expiration. Yeah, that doesn't work out in my mind here either. So we're looking at an August expiration with 31 days. And then that's what we're going to use. Okay, so we're looking at, in the cherry bomb trade today, a naked put here at the 320 strike. Now, that to me seems a little risky in the sense that, well, there's a lot of risk. We'll go over that in a little bit. But normally, I feel like the tasty trade is you look for a 16 delta put. Or still 16 delta code. You're looking at naked options, you're looking at the 16 deltas. However, with that said, because I just want to learn, we're going to build out the 320 and see what that looks like here. So I'm going to left click on this bid. That's going to give me a put here at the 320 strike here. And these numbers, I'll tell you what, you would think that you'd be collecting, a maximum possible profit of $575. I don't think that's the case. It's going to be a little wacky, right? So let's head over to this risk profile and we see our break even. I've already set this up. Expiration here is going to be, I think that's right, August 20th. Let's take a look on that one. There it is. So we're looking at a 57% probability of profit here, or breaking even. And we're looking at a max profit of $287. And if you're ready for some whoa, thanks, but no thanks, I don't blame you. Here it is. Right click this trade, choose confirm and send. And we'll see here that we are looking at a maximum loss should corn become free. And you like to think that, hey, that can't happen. We all used to say, well, when oil is free to pull out of the ground, not that long ago, oil, you had to pay if you had oil to get rid of it, right? Like people wouldn't buy it from you. So you had to pay them to take your oil. Could that happen to corn, I guess? I think the lesson we had to learn from that experience is, yeah, it's possible, right? So here we have a situation where max loss, if it goes to 0, we're looking at a large maximum loss. Now, that's very, very unlikely, right? And in this margin account here, if you looked at the cherry bomb email, you're looking at roughly $700 of margin of buying power being taken away, right? Were it me, I think I would take the time to look at, spreads and see what that would do. So let's say that if we did let's get rid of this guy here. Let's right click on this 320 and choose Analyze Sell Trade and do a vertical and see if we do a $5 wide here in this case, and then go over to Risk Profile, set ourselves up to set slices to break even. It's saying the expiration is July 25th. Okay, let's hit that then. We're looking at 56% probability of profit. And what we see here is now we have a defined risk, defined loss of $162 would be our max loss, and our max profit of 87. Now you ask me risk to reward, this is way better. But man, what do I do? Do I do the one that what I would do, or do I do the cherry? I'm going to do the cherry bomb one. Let's do that. I would invite you to do whatever one you prefer, but I'm going to click on this guy, and hopefully my futures abilities haven't been taken away, that I wasn't notified. So I'm going to right click this, choose confirm and send. We see here I can get a whole big $287. I'm going to hit send. We're going to see what happens. Instantly filled because the futures market is open. And let's hope we don't lose $15,000, everybody. Okay, so if this is the kind of thing that you like doing and you can consider, getting online with us and trading in a simulated environment here in ThinkOrSwim, I'd really appreciate it. I hope I have earned your like on this video and maybe even a subscription. Even better, if you could hit that bell and ring it, then you'd be notified when these videos come out. I thank you so much for your views, for your comments, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Happy trading.